What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Investing in bonds offers stability, regular income, and diversification to your portfolio. Bonds are safer than stocks, provide predictable interest payments, and help reduce overall risk. Consider including bonds in your investment strategy for a balanced approach to wealth building. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to buy bonds on Charles Schwab. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's get into it. To initiate the process of adding a bond to your investment portfolio, start by navigating to the Trade section and selecting Bonds. Utilize the Fixed Income Offerings table to search for a bond that aligns with your specific investment criteria. By selecting a rate from this table, you will be presented with a comprehensive list of relevant bond offerings. Alternatively, if you already have a particular bond in mind, you can expedite the search process by entering its CUSIP number, conveniently located below the Fixed Income Offerings table, and then clicking on Go. After conducting your search using the Fixed Income Offerings table, proceed to select a bond that captures your interest from the search results. This can be accomplished by clicking on the Buy option associated with a specific bond you wish to include in your investment portfolio. Ensure that the chosen bond aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Once you have identified the bond you intend to purchase, the next step involves filing out your order details accurately. It is essential to input all the necessary information correctly to avoid any discrepancies in the transaction process. After completing the order details, proceed by clicking on Review Order to ensure the accuracy of the information provided. Before finalizing your bond purchase, take the time to carefully review the disclosure notes provided. These notes contain essential information regarding the terms and conditions associated with the bond transaction. Understanding these details is crucial in making an informed investment decision. After reviewing the disclosure notes, click on Continue to proceed with the transaction. The final step in the process is to place your bond order. When you are ready to proceed with the transaction, click on Place Order to finalize your trade. By completing this step, you will successfully add the selected bond to your investment portfolio. Incorporating bonds into your investment portfolio can enhance stability, provide regular income, and offer diversification benefits. Consider bonds as a valuable asset class to help achieve your financial goals with a balanced and resilient investment strategy. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.